What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California, and you're here because you want to learn about making money online. Can you really make money online fast? Is it possible to work from your smartphone and make a real income working from home, right? The answer is yes. And so it is 2018, right? A lot of people have a lot of goals to really take their finances to the next level, or maybe quit their 9-to-5 jobs to spend more time with their children, with their family. And that's completely understandable because those are the same reasons why I actually was able to fire my two bosses to actually be able to do what I love to do, which is travel the world. And I was able to do that right last year. And this year, I have plans to travel to many other places I've been wanting to. Not just by myself, but actually take my sisters with me, right? And it's going to be amazing, phenomenal. And so I just want to let you know, if you don't like the situation that you're in right now, if you don't like your current situation, guess what? You have the power to change it, right? Like that quote says, you're not a tree. You can move. You can start taking risks. You can start stepping out of your comfort zone to actually start creating the lifestyle that you want, that you desire. You can have it all, and it all starts by making a decision right here that you're going to become successful, that you're going to start making changes, right? Because in order to start seeing changes on the outside, you have to change what's on the inside. You have to change your thoughts, your mindset, right? From a losing, skeptic, doubtful mindset to hey, what if I take a chance? How would my life change? How is my life going to look like in the next 90 days, right? If I take action today? Those are the questions you want to ask yourself, right? We're still in January, right? This is a brand new year. And a lot of you have set goals and said, hey, this is a new year, so I'm going to do new things. Even if I'm afraid, even if I'm skeptic, I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and I'm going to make things happen for my family and for myself, right? And so that's a decision that I made over 2 years ago, right? When I came online and I was tired of working, 60 plus hours a week at my two 9-to-5 jobs, right? I got tired of it. I didn't have any time to go out or travel or do what I love. And now, I'm so grateful that I've been given the opportunity to travel the world, right? Not just by myself, but I've taken my sisters with me to, just create more amazing experiences and memories. And that's what life should be all about. You having enough time freedom to make it happen. Anyways, let's get right to it. How can you start making money online? How can you start, becoming your own boss? Creating your own schedule? Is it really possible? The answer is yes, right? Before I get into the details, I want to let you know there's 3 things that you need to be able to have, right? First, you need to have a PayPal account because that's how you get paid. So if you have a PayPal account and you can create a free PayPal account, then you qualify to join the team. Also, if you have a smartphone or a desktop, you qualify to join the team. And number 3, you have to have Wi-Fi or internet connection. If you have these 3 things, right, this is a global opportunity, but you have to have these 3 things, then you qualify to join the team, okay? What is this step-by-step online system, okay? It's a very simple newbie-friendly system, and it's a copy and paste. What we're doing here, we're copying and pasting pre-written ads on social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Craigslist, YouTube. When somebody responds to those ads, they join the team, purchase the product, you get paid 100% commission. This is a direct sales business, okay? What we're doing here is pretty much a very simple structure. This is a very simple system. We created in such a way that even a complete newbie with zero experience would be able to know exactly what to do. And so I'm going to log into my back office just to show you proof. In the last 2 weeks, I've been able to make over $9,000. So it's the beginning of the year 2018, and it is January 16th. And in the last 2 weeks, I've been able to make over $9,000, right? Working from the comfort of my own home. I get to wake up when I want, go to sleep when I want. I get to work for how many hours as I want, right? And so and I get, to have the freedom to travel wherever I want. And that's the most beautiful thing. And I don't have to worry about how am I going to be able to pay my bills or whatnot. But I was there not too long ago, right? And so I'm going to show you proof. We'll log into my back office and I'm going to show you some testimonials, right? I have a lot of people here. You're going to be able to see the screenshots that are changing their lives on a daily basis, that, this step-by-step system is completely changing their lives. I want you to get the full details, okay? Only if you're serious about really changing your current situation, I want you to go visit my website. at www.richmindsets.com. You'll see it right here. Go visit my website, right? Get started today, right? Right after you get started, you're going to get access to my step-by-step blueprint that's going to show you the same strategies that me and my team are using to make an additional $500 a week, an additional $3,000 a month, right? Those are the same strategies that you're going to get access to so you can start changing your life. I will tell you, this will take hard work and dedication, right? Because anything worth getting and achieving will take hard work and dedication. So if you're lazy, if you're those type of people that you're a procrastinator, I don't want to work with you. I only want to work with people that are serious and just ready to change your situation. Other than that, take action today, right? You can see all the testimonials. They're changing their lives on a daily basis, and you can too. I will see you at the top. All right, perfect. So I want to show you here, just in the last 2 weeks, I'm going to go ahead and just click refresh so you could see that it's loading. Okay, I'm going to do it again. And in the last 2 weeks, I've been able to actually generate over $9,000. I'm going to actually click here, January 1st, and today is the 16th. And I'm going to click submit here so you can see it's actually loading. It's not a fake screenshot. I'll do it again, submit. And you can see right here at the bottom, that's $9,194. So over $9,000 made in the last 2 weeks. You can see right there, that's my name, Adriana Villegas. Okay. And so once you get started, you're going to get access to the same strategies that I'm using, that my team members are using to completely crush it. And you can see the testimonials that my team members are sending me and letting me know, hey, Adriana, you're changing my life. Hey, Adriana, your step-by-step training is completely transforming my business. Hey, Adriana, I've been able to quit my job because of you. Hey, Adriana, I've been able to travel more because of you. Hey, Adriana, all these messages, and I'm showing you proof here in the screenshots of people that, at one point were complete newbies with zero experience, and now, right, like 6 months later, now they have completely changed their financial situation. So if you want to change your life, if you want to get started with me today, I'm going to invite you to go to www.richmindsets.com, change your life today, right? It's all about taking that first step, and then send me a message on Facebook. This is my Facebook here. You can see I'm a real person, right? I have over 23,000 followers. This is my sister. Her birthday was last week. We went out and celebrated, and I'm a real person, and I show it here. So this is just my family. Got to hang out on a weekend with them. It was amazing. So guys, this was New Year's, right? Just hanging out, having a great time. So I'm just showing you, me. And so I'm a regular person. At one point, I was working 2 full-time jobs, and now I'm able to pretty much work from anywhere where there's Wi-Fi connection, and I'm able to get paid on a daily basis. So if you want to start learning how I'm able to do this, right? How I'm able to generate hundreds of dollars on a weekly basis, I'm going to invite you to get started. Go to www.richmindsets.com. Get started with me today. Other than that, I will see you at the top.